everybody, and welcome to Behind the Vanity. I am going to show you how to put in a 3/4 wig and show you just one of the many hairstyles that you can achieve with this type of a wig. What is a 3/4 wig? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's the back part of a wig. It's missing the first quarter part, and it allows you to be able to have your own hair showing. That way it looks a little more natural, but at the same time it gives you a lot of body that sometimes extensions don't always give you. And you don't have to mess with all the separate pieces and deal with wigs and lace front and all that kind of thing. So it's my preferred method to make my hair big for my show, for my job. If you don't know, I'm a magician's assistant, so I'm in a big stage show. That's why I have my makeup on right now. I'm getting ready to go into work. And so I wanted to show you how to put this wig on. Comment below if you've heard of a 3/4 wig, if you've ever used one, if you've ever heard of one. Comment if you've never heard of one. I'd like to see kind of just how popular it is, because I've known about them for about 10 years. So I know lace fronts are real popular and extensions are really popular, and even the little ponytails that you wear are very, very popular, but I don't know that a lot of people really know what a 3/4 wig is. So let me know, comment below, please. Subscribe to my channel. You can do that by hitting this little red box with the white arrow in it down here on your right-hand side of the screen. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post more videos. That means more 3/4 wig hairstyles will be coming. And like this video. Usually I buy my 3/4 wigs on eBay, or Amazon. That seems to be better prices, better selection than like a wig shop. So that's where I buy mine. And here is the current one that I'm wearing. It's got clips. I dislike these and I kind of feel like they rip your hair out, so I try not to use them. I'm actually gonna probably take them out of this wig. Usually these wigs, a lot of times I buy them, they don't have them, but this particular one did. But a lot of times you'll have combs on the top and on the bottom. Now, I pin them in with straight pins like these. You can buy a big box of them at Sally's. And they're very sturdy, and for me it's better than using a regular bobby pin because it's gonna spread and you're gonna ruin these bobby pins. I much prefer a straight pin for this. A teasing comb goes a long way with teasing comb, hairspray. So what I do first is I take the front quarter part of my hair, and you just guesstimate on this. Sometimes I put a little further forward on my head, sometimes I put a little further back, and sometimes I don't really have much control over where it wants to be, but I always try. So then I'll get this hair out of the way. Then, so here you are. So you have this step here done. I've got the front quarter part of my hair away, kind of right along my ear line. Then what I do next is I take all the rest of my hair and I put it kind of at the crown of my head. Is that the crown? Or just kind of this top back up part where if you were to do like a high ponytail. And I just put it in a bun and secure it with a couple of straight pins to keep it out of the way. So this is what you will be left with. Just kind of a bun, kind of the way it's going. It's party in the front, business in the back. Hot tools are usually a big no-no when it comes to these 3/4 wigs because they're synthetic, they're plastic. So you'll melt it. So what I'll do is I'll kind of take my hair and I'll spray right around push it all forward and spray. And then I'll just take this hair all around here and I'll tease it. Back comb it. And this will help blend the line. That would be one of the most frustrating parts of wearing a 3/4 wig is sometimes the line will want to show, and you just do the best you can. Some days are easier than others. You can have a bad hair day with a 3/4 wig too. It's a whole lot less likely. And then what you do is try to put it just behind right around where the hair starts, and just kind of secure it. Then I take a couple of these straight pins. I can't really see anything at the moment. And I just put them down and then I twist them back up, making sure to grab. I know you can't really see this extremely well, but I go kind of down, and then when I twist it up and push it in and hope that it has grabbed onto some of the hair that is in the bun. And then I just kind of go around. If you can get a few really good ones in there, it is not gonna go anywhere. I've worked in show business for wearing these particular wigs for about 10 years. I've been wearing these, and I have never had one fall off. And you know, I do some pretty, you know, a lot of running around, a lot of getting in boxes, upside down, all this kinds of stuff, and I have never personally had one fall off. I've known a couple of the girls that have had them fall off or almost fall off, but considering how many shows we've done, it's really amazing how it doesn't go anywhere, really. So don't be afraid. I probably have about 8 pins in here, and it is not going anywhere. So I'll just kind of, you know, fluff it up. So then I take the hair, and I'm gonna do this very carefully. Like I said, you could do this before you put the wig on, or you can just be really careful just to not get the wig. So kind of get the top styled a little bit, and then I like to kind of go in, and this is kind of a wavy style, so it's like your hair doesn't have to be too curly or too straight or nothing, so you just kind of get a little bit of wave, just match it as good as you can. And then after you kind of got it styled some, you can just go ahead and spray it to kind of hold it the best you can. And then to kind of help, because eventually the line will show, you could leave it like this if you weren't going to be in a magic show, stuffed in a box and your hair everywhere. So you could just stop right here. You could just stop right here and leave it. See how that looks? Just looks like your hair. Or what I would do to take this further for the show is I'd probably go ahead and kind of pin this back over here, like that. And then add a headband. I do not have any of my fancy sparkly headbands, barrettes here at home because I do not wear them at home. So the only thing I could find was just this really boring little headband. And then just put that there, and that helps kind of, the beauty of like a headband, you can even use like a stretchy headband, is that it kind of helps conceal the line because it'll push the hair up to where the edge of the wig is, and it kind of helps give you a little extra volume, plus gives you a little extra volume, plus it kind of helps conceal that wig line. So it's just a really good way to wear the wig. So there you go, if you can see what this looks like. They even sell 3/4 wigs with a cloth headband attached, and I've never bought one of those or used one of those. If you have, comment and let me know. Someday I would like to try one of those just because I never have, and I might love it, and I'm always searching for something to make my life, my job better, easier, more awesome, all those things. So like I said, you can buy them with cloth headbands attached as well. So there you go. If you have any questions, comment. I would love to help out with the 3/4 wig. I just think it's a fantastic, and I feel like it's forgotten or not known. So again, comment, let me know, have you ever heard of a 3/4 wig? Have you ever used one? Share it with me. Again, like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. And also follow me on Instagram at Behind the Vanity Official. And I'm always posting fun stuff on there. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.